from Kabul to Turkey, right?
Is it allowed in Islam peaceful demonstration against the state policy, or is it considered against obedience of the rules of the country?
In the modern times, there are two types of demonstrations which people indulge in to express their displeasure with any government decision or decisions of the legislation. Two types. One type is permitted by the governments, and they are legal demonstrations. Only they do not have to create a public disorder. So any demonstration which is peaceful and which raises its voice against anything which the government or legislation has required them to do, it is permitted by the Holy Quran. A peaceful word of displeasure is lawful even if the governments had not permitted it to be lawful, because Kalamatul Haq before a cruel dictator is praised by Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So any peaceful demonstration in which you express your displeasure is permitted by the Quran. It was permitted more than 1400 years ago, and the modern governments have just learned a part of that from their experience, they say, but in fact it is a Quranic teaching right from the beginning. So if Muslims in Turkey have peaceful demonstrations, do not create law and order problems, and express their displeasure in words against the mayors of Jabir Hukama, Hakimin, it is absolutely according to the Holy Quran, permissible. But if they indulge in creating disorder, that is not permitted.